Besties, according to Google, there's only 50 more days until Christmas. There's only 6 more weeks until Christmas. And if you are anything like me, you are a procrastinator. You wait until the last minute to do things. And because we are in the 9th hour, you like me, we run the risk of overspending, going out of the budget to buy gifts for those that we love. I know we say we not buying nobody no gifts. This year we gift free, but we know that's not true. We get into the holiday spirit. We go over to our friends and families' homes, and we want to give adults gifts, kids gifts, and those that we love, the people in our family. So this year, we are going to plan in the 9th hour. We are going to refuse to go into debt. We're going to refuse to go into the new year spending all this money that we do have, but we can potentially overspend because we haven't planned. So if you are like me and you want to plan for the holidays in the 9th hour, then just go ahead and stay tuned because we are planning for the holidays in November. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. Nice to meet you if this is your first time scrolling or clicking on my video. If you are a bestie to the channel, hey girl, hey, I am so glad that you have stopped by. So the besties know me. You guys know that I wait until the last minute to do certain things, and I am a sucker for the holidays. When it comes to Christmas, I have family, I have nieces, I have nephews, I have parents, I have a child, and I do want to celebrate, or not even celebrate, but I do want to buy Christmas gifts for those people that I love. So what I need to do is I need to set up a plan, and that's what I'm going to be doing on today's video. But there are 3 things that I do want to kind of note that you might want to note as well if you are planning in the 9th hour like myself. So the first thing is that you want to give yourself a budget. Not only an overall budget, but you want to go down to the details. How many people are you going to be buying gifts for? I would name those people out, and then I would give each person a budget. And that will give you your overall total. Once you get to the overall total, if you realize that that's way too much, then you have to go back in and you have to make some adjustments. And that's what we're going to be doing today. The second thing, be real with yourself. If you're really not going to buy anybody anything, then that's fine. Go ahead and let's go into 2024 winning. But don't lie to yourself and say,
I'm not buying nobody nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
Because there's more than just gift giving. You might be the person who's cooking your family dinner. You might be the person who's going out to eat on different Christmas dinners. You might be decorating your home. There's a lot more that you can do during the holidays than just buying gifts for people that you love, and you want to shower with love during the holidays. So don't lie to yourself and say that you're not gonna buy anybody anything, because 9 times out of 10 you are if you're like me. And then the third thing, I did state that there were only 50 days until Christmas, but then there are also 6 weeks until Christmas as well. But we have to budget for a shorter amount of time because you're not going to be buying gifts on Christmas. I mean, you can, but like if you're me, I'm not buying gifts on Christmas. I need to buy the gifts before then. So it's going to give me a shorter amount of time that I need to save the money in order to buy the people gifts. So we're going to get into the nitty and the gritty. So I'm going to flip the camera over so we can go ahead and get started. Okay, bestie, so I have created this Christmas budget sheet, and this is where I'm going to list everyone who I'm going to be purchasing a gift for. Okay, before we get into it, I just want to let you know your girl doesn't have any nails, and that is because I broke 2 of my nails and I needed to let them heal before I put some fake nails on. So I don't have my model hands. Hopefully I can get them done before Thanksgiving. But it does definitely feel good for a moment to not have nails and just to kind of be working without them. Back to why we're here. So here I am going to list everybody that I'm going to be purchasing a gift for and everything that I'm going to be purchasing during the holidays. That's like holiday related. Now, in the beginning of the video, I stated that we only have 50 days until Christmas, and then we have 6 weeks until Christmas as well. But what you may need to do, like I need to do, is I need to know how many paychecks I'm gonna get until Christmas, because that's gonna let me know how much money I need to save until Christmas, if that makes sense. So the days really don't matter. I mean, the days do matter, but what really matters on top of that is how many times am I gonna get paid. So I'm gonna get paid 1, 2, that's November, 2 times in November, and then when it comes to December, oh, why is this here? Why is this here, guys? Oh no, don't tell me I don't have my other part of my December calendar. I don't have my other part of my December calendar, you guys. I gotta find it. Okay, I don't have too much time here. So in December, I'm gonna be paid. I need another calendar. Hold on, guys. Okay, in the month of December, I'll be paid 2 times before Christmas. So a total of 4 times. I'll be paid 4 times before the actual holiday. Okay, so with that being said, I am going to jot down everyone that I'm going to be purchasing a gift for. So for now, I'm going to be purchasing gifts just for the kids, for my kid and then my nieces and my nephews. And each one of them is going to get the following budget. $540. So make sure that you guys are being realistic in this part here, because if you're not realistic, you're going to end up going over budget. And it's going to defeat the whole purpose of you doing this. I'm hoping that I don't go over budget, but each one of these people are going to be getting the following budget. So my total holiday budget is $540. I'm going to take this $540 and I'm going to divide it into 4. So that means that I need to save $135 each paycheck. I'm just going to write a note to myself that that's $135 each paycheck that I need to save. Okay, now for you it might be different. You might have a different time frame. You might be paid weekly, you may be paid once a month, and that's what you need to take into account. You may also have side hustle money that you are going to be getting so that you can spend money on the holidays, or you can add to the budget in that case. I myself, I know that I will be getting only one side hustle. Well, no, it'll be like for example, like YouTube. I'll only be getting 1 YouTube check, or I'll be getting 2 actually before the holidays. So based upon that budget, I may be able to add more, but just out of my 9 to 5 paychecks, this is what I will be saving out of each paycheck. And once I have that money, that cash actually saved, then I can go ahead and purchase gifts. For example, the very first time I'm paid, I'll be saving $135. I'll be able to go and buy all of my nieces and nephews gifts with that, and then I'll be done with them. And then for the Secret Santa, then on the next paycheck, I'll have that saved, and then I can put the money aside for that, and so forth and so forth. So you really want to plan to the detail if you can on your holiday spending so that you do not go into debt. This is at the last minute. If you're at the 9th hour, please do not just say forget it and then just go out and spend money. Statistics show that a lot of people go into debt for the holidays. And be honest with yourself. If you know you like to spend money during the holidays, just go ahead and budget for it. So that way you can spend as well as not go into debt or over budget. Okay, that's going to be very, very, very important. Now, I do have I'm going to be creating a family binder. And in this family binder, I am going to have these envelopes. Right now, my Cricut application is not working. So unfortunately, I couldn't create my family binder. All right, besties, that's it for this video. It's not long at all. Make sure that you guys tune in for Friday Night Live. We are definitely going live this Friday and we're going to have a ball. So if there is nothing else, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you in the next one. Go be great. Peace out.